My fiance left me after he found out about my college days. I've been with my fiance for 2 years, engaged for 2 months. I can go on and on about how great he is, but I won't waste your time. He's awesome. Him and my sister's boyfriend have gotten really close over the past year, and they talk at least twice a week, whether on the phone or FaceTime or just hanging out with all 4 of us. Sister has been dating her boyfriend since high school, so obviously her boyfriend knows me very well, as well as my dating history. Last weekend, we all thought it would be fun to drink and hang out over FaceTime. It was a FaceTime double date and we all had a blast. Laughing, playing drinking games. We all partied for over an hour, and that's when I was over it and decided to leave the party to call my sister directly without the boys in the other room. Well, my fiance and her boyfriend stayed on the FaceTime and continued to get drunk together. During this time, I couldn't hear shit because I was in another room and was talking to my sister. Sister's boyfriend goes and tells a bunch of stories about my college days and how many guys I hooked up with. Just so everyone knows, I don't know the actual number. My first 3 years of college was literally one giant party. Without being too descriptive, I admit I was excessive. But at that time, it was just what we did. I was single during that time, and me and my friends with a lot of guys. Most of them that I couldn't even pick out in a lineup. But again, I was in college. Anyway, one of the parties that I went to, I ended up hooking with 4 different guys at the same time. This is relevant later.